What if not eating for 16 hours a day could completely change how your body works? No pills, no detox drinks, no extreme calorie cutting. By day 3, your blood chemistry begins to shift. By day 10, your cells activate internal repair systems. And by day 30, your body may enter a state of metabolic efficiency most people never reach. This isn't hype. It's not a trend. It's biology. And for over 1,400 years, millions of people have practiced a similar form of fasting every single year. So what actually happens inside your body when you fast for 16 hours a day for 30 days? Let's break it down, scientifically, step by step. A 16-hour fast means you abstain from food for 16 continuous hours and eat all your daily calories within an 8-hour window. Water is allowed. Black coffee or plain tea may be included, but no calories. Scientifically, this is known as time-restricted eating. It does not necessarily reduce calories, it changes timing. During the month of Ramadan, Muslims fast daily from dawn to sunset for nearly 30 days. Although the structure is different, the biological response of the human body to prolonged fasting hours follows the same core principles. The human body was not designed to eat constantly. It was designed to adapt. In the first 8 to 12 hours after your last meal, your body relies on glucose. This glucose comes from glycogen, stored carbohydrates in your liver and muscles. The liver stores about 100 grams of glycogen. Once this storage is depleted, insulin levels fall sharply. Between hours 12 and 16, blood sugar stabilizes. Insulin secretion drops, fat-burning pathways activate. This is why the first few days feel uncomfortable. Common symptoms include strong hunger signals, headaches, fatigue, mood swings, and brain fog. This is not starvation. This is withdrawal from constant glucose dependency. Your body is switching fuel systems. By the end of the first week, your metabolism begins to shift more efficiently. The liver starts producing ketone bodies from fatty acids. Ketones cross the blood-brain barrier and serve as an alternative fuel for the brain. This is important because ketones produce less oxidative stress, reduce free radical damage, and improve mitochondrial efficiency. Scientific studies show that ketone metabolism may enhance cognitive clarity and focus. This explains why many people report reduced hunger, improved mental sharpness, and more stable energy levels. Your body is no longer fighting the fast, it is adapting to it. This is where fasting becomes biologically powerful. Autophagy is a self-cleaning process discovered by scientists studying cellular survival mechanisms. When nutrients are scarce, cells stop growing and start repairing. During autophagy, damaged proteins are broken down, old or dysfunctional cell parts are recycled, cellular waste is removed. Research suggests that fasting beyond 14 to 16 hours significantly stimulates autophagy activity. This process is linked to reduced inflammation, improved insulin sensitivity, protection against neurodegenerative conditions, and slowed cellular aging. Your body prioritizes survival efficiency over growth. This is repair mode. By the third week, hormonal adaptations become measurable. Growth hormone levels increase dramatically. Growth hormone helps preserve lean muscle mass while encouraging fat breakdown. Insulin sensitivity improves. This allows glucose to enter cells more efficiently when you eat. Leptin and ghrelin, hunger-regulating hormones, begin to normalize. This reduces cravings and binge-eating behavior. Cortisol, the stress hormone, becomes more regulated. Many people notice reduced abdominal fat, improved sleep quality, lower resting heart rate, and better digestion. Your endocrine system becomes more balanced. By day 30, your body has adapted to fasting as a predictable rhythm. Hunger signals weaken, energy becomes steady throughout the day. Inflammatory markers may reduce. Scientific studies suggest prolonged fasting routines may improve cholesterol profiles, lower triglycerides, support cardiovascular health, and enhance immune cell regeneration. Fasting gives the digestive system daily rest. This allows the gut microbiome to rebalance, improving nutrient absorption and immune response. Your body becomes metabolically flexible, capable of switching fuels efficiently. For centuries, Muslims have practiced daily fasting during the month of Ramadan. From dawn to sunset, food and drink are avoided. But fasting in Islam is not only physical. It emphasizes discipline, patience, and self-control. From a scientific perspective, Ramadan fasting introduces extended fasting hours, aligns eating with circadian rhythms, and reduces continuous insulin exposure. Modern research now supports many of the physiological benefits long observed in Ramadan fasting populations. Improved metabolic health, reduced inflammation, better glucose control. What was once seen solely as spiritual devotion now reveals deep biological intelligence. Fasting is not suitable for everyone. Individuals with diabetes, eating disorders, pregnancy, chronic medical conditions, or those on medication should consult a medical professional before attempting prolonged fasting. Fasting should be intentional, controlled, and informed. So what happens when you fast for 16 hours a day for 30 days? Your body switches fuel systems, your cells clean themselves, your hormones rebalance, your metabolism becomes efficient. Science explains how it works. Tradition reminds us why discipline matters. If you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe for more science-based human body insights, and comment below, would you try 16-hour fasting for 30 days?